This is the vintage jewelry haul / auction preview for August 2nd and 4th at 7 p.m. Eastern. You can find the auction links below in the description. You can text me at 917-809-7250. Text Hello Dawn to get free alerts when I go live with an auction or a sale or a pop-up. This is not the order that things will be in. You can find the list in the description box below with the starting bids. This is rock crystal and lace agate. And look, it's faceted rock crystal and faceted lace agate with faceted balls. This is beautiful. Sterling, adjustable. Just, there it is, like that. So that's how that lays. This is beautiful. This is glass with an old clasp. Look at the carvings in there. Really lovely old piece. The important green turquoise with the handmade clasp. This is very, very one of a kind. I'm sure that this is an artist or studio piece, whatever you want to call it. They're big chunks. Okay, those are not chips, those are nuggets, and some of them are hand wired and some of them have crystals between them, and it's a 3-strander, and it has a really nice balance to it. So an exceptional find for me. This is one that Maria found. It's just a beautiful old necklace, really unique color in that one glass. The very, very long yellow with the AB, also a delicious color. I'm not going to start this very high. You can check for the starting bid in the description below. Probably going to start it at like $25. This one is special. Look at the link of this chain. Old spring ring clasp. All right, has like a gold-filled look to it. And then these gorgeous, gorgeous lava beads. And the construction is wonderful. The Les Bois pendant watch. This is running. Working and running. And we can check in again when the auction starts. Really lovely. That, if anybody wants to silent bid, I'm starting at $100 with the chain. Worth it. The Opaline and gold over 800 silver old pin. There's the mark. A wonderful, wonderful piece of jewelry. The graduated amethyst necklace. This is wonderful as well. Look at the deep color there. Beautiful. And with that, sold separately, but nice together, the really good amethyst tongues, they're called. But look at the crystal structure in there with garnet and totally handmade sterling. This did not come from my shopping trip to Andover. This came from the Extreme Collector's Estate, and I found the perfect bracelet to use as sort of a creative way to even shorten it or extend it or clasp it, right? You can do that with bracelets with a lot when you have a lot of elements. So found the perfect bracelet, so I'm going to be offering it. This is wood and glass, and just wait until you can see what we can do with that one. The Napier set. This is really beautiful. Has its original chain. I'm sure this is a book piece. I haven't looked at that giant book, but it might even be in the Bruni Alti books. Look at the detail on this. Really lovely old hallmark. And I have the earrings as well, with a neat old unique clip back. So that's how they look on. and they are asymmetrical. Very, very nice. These beautiful mid-centuries. Okay, these, oh, I would love to keep these. Look at the marks on those. So this says 925 and 899 gold, and it has the hallmark of who made them, which I can't remember right now. I think it's AV. AV. Oh, aren't they amazing? And they look so good. These are forever earrings, and they look really good, and they're really wearable, and they're fine quality. Those will be coming up. This will be coming up. This is really nice, heavy sterling beads on a sterling chain. The clasp is not sterling, but it looks original. So how interesting is that? Maybe at one time it had a rhodium plating. I don't know. It's an interesting little artifact, but lovely just the same. The Martyn Shiff 3-strand with the really good quality disc dangles. These are, I thought they were hematite, but they might just be metal. They might just be like a nice gunmetal. They're not magnetic. Here it is signed, and that you really have to see on a bust, but beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous. This one is Maria's, and I've had this for a while. I've had this since before she became a seller on the marketplace. If you're interested in joining the marketplace, it's very, very fun, and I am adding sellers slowly. We are still figuring it out, and that link will be in the description. But this is beautiful. I mean, look at this. This is old also. And I've had it since before she became a seller, and I wanted to auction it for her, and I just kept forgetting to do it. So it'll be in this week's auction. It's wonderful. These, the Garnet and Quartz, these turned out to be gold filled. They are not silver. They are gold filled. Beautiful. And then the amazing Kinetic wrapped dyed howlite, and that is gold over sterling. So definitely a score. And as usual, I will be giving things away. So please join us. See you at the auction. Bye.